Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here you know about the USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with Telegram channel. And one more thing, our Telegram channel is totally free, so connect and get a maximum profit from it. And today's our Telegram members are get a massive profit from the short selling, and here our sales target are achieved. So I make it video on the how to trade on the expiry day. I pin this video in the corner of the large screen, so must watch and never miss the opportunity of the get a massive profit on the day of expiry. Okay, here we know about the USDINR important levels for tomorrow. These are the March future. So we buy USDINR above 72.70 and the targets are 72.75 and 72.80. Okay, in against scenario, we sell USDINR if it's below 72.58, so we sell and the targets are 72.53 and 72.48. Okay friends, please like, share, subscribe and connect it with our Telegram channel. Okay, take care, bye bye.